Welcome guys to chapter 1 of geometry. The subtopic is conditional statements and converse. The statement which can be written in the if then form are called conditional statements. The part of the statement following if is called the antecedent, that is comes before, and the part following then is called the consequent. Results, this means result of something. If the antecedent comes before and consequent resulting in a given condition statement are interchanged, the resulting statement is called the converse of the given statement. If a conditional statement is true, its converse is not necessarily be true. Now let's see the example statement. The diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. So here you can see the rhombus, their diagonals are perpendicular. So conditional statement, if a quadrilateral is a rhombus, then its diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. You can see if and then words are used. Let us interchange antecedent and consequent in the statement. Now converse, if I have to write the converse of this statement, then I will write if diagonals of a quadrilateral are perpendicular bisector of each other, then it is a rhombus. Let's start with practice set 1.3. Page number 11 of your textbook. Question 1. Write the following statement in if-then form. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then opposite angles of that quadrilateral are congruent. Second one. The diagonals of rectangle are congruent. If a diagonal is a rectangle, then its diagonals are, if a quadrilateral is a rectangle, then its diagonals are congruent. Third sub question. In an isosceles triangle, the segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the base is perpendicular to the base. If you see this is an isosceles triangle having two sides equal. The segment joining from the vertex to the midpoint of the base. So if a triangle is an isosceles, then the segment joining the vertex of a triangle and the midpoint of the base is perpendicular to the base. So here we are using if and then. Question 2. Write the converses of the following statements. The alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversals are congruent. Answer. If alternate angles made by two lines and its transversal are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Question 2. Sub-question second. If a pair of the interior angles made by a transversal of two lines are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then interior angles so formed are supplementary. Third sub-question. The diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral are congruent, then the quadrilateral is a rectangle or it can be a square. So the converse of the above statement does not exist. It may not be true for the statement. Okay guys, then let's start in the next video problem set 1.